Hey dear recruiters, have you read the book Nail the Deal? And why you should read the book Nail the Deal? If you want to solve your day-to-day problems, if you wanted to focus on how you can manage your time, if you wanted to focus on how to become a highly paid recruiter by managing your emotions, energies and your mind, you should grab that book. And recently I shared that book with the founder of CEIPAL, and he has given an awesome review on it. If you have not read it, and here is the review for you. Okay, just read it and you will understand. So this is not just Mr. Samir who has given me. There are so many other senior recruiters who read the book and given very good reviews, because that really helps. Why did I write this book and why it is going to help you? I have written this to help our recruiters in India. Maybe it is domestic or US staffing. Okay, if you are a domestic recruiter, few things about the geographies, the tax terms, it may not be useful, but rest of the things it is going to be useful, because we are working with human beings. Okay, if you are a US IT recruiter, if you are a fresher, a senior person, if you want to see the recruiting world in a different manner, you should grab this book. Okay, so you may think this is very high, this is like 1400 rupees, why should I invest? Guys, is this really not worth your career? And the best part is, it is currently going on a discount. You'll find it on some 1000+ rupees. Okay, and this is not about money all the time. What if you get one idea and that will help you make many placements? Okay, so here is the book what I wanted to show you, and this is my library, small library I have. And yes, so if you have not grabbed this book, I would suggest you to grab one. Either it could be a hard copy, or is better, I would suggest you to grab a hard copy rather than a soft copy, because when you have it in your hand, you will feel good. Because I have poured a lot of emotions, energy in it, and you will able to feel this. Okay, make this as your a Bible, Gita, whatever it is in recruiting, because it has so many things for you people. And again, if you know everything, then do not invest. Okay, because money is so much for you, so do not invest in it. Because before I write this book, I have read many books. Okay, because I was hungry recruiter. I wanted to get that one secret. I wanted to get that one technique, how to be the highly paid recruiter. Okay, and here after I read and things worked, things didn't work, because those are the authors from UK, USA, and I did not find any worth book from Indian authors who can understand how a recruiter feels in India, how our work culture is, what our thought process, what our geography, and how we talk, and what kind of background we come from. So everything I did not find. So that's the reason I had to struggle to find out the techniques. Okay, to give you some examples, I read the book from Jen Tang. This is a full stack recruiter. Okay, I did not find anything else in here, but again I spent money on reading the Rich Recruiter here. Then this is about recruiting 101. I did not find anything else here, but finally I had to end up writing this book to the people who are looking for the techniques and skills that can help the recruiters grow in their career, in their life and everything. So this book is just not about the recruiting, that you will have calling, understanding requirements and some scripts. No. It has covered all recruiting life, how it can make you a better recruiter. Okay, so if you haven't grabbed it, it is time for you. 2021, invest and let me know how it is changing your life. All right, and if you are missing the live call Saturday and Sunday, I would suggest you to connect in the live video calls YouTube, and we are sharing a lot of information, and the Q&A is like awesome. Okay, so this time make Nail the Deal as your friend, and it will give you a different worldview, guys. I bet you will have a different experience. Thank you very much for listening. This is Suman Pachigulla on a mission to impact 5 million lives. God bless.